Hi, I'm Magda from I'm a Little Creature. Today I will show you what's inside April KNITCRATE membership. I received the box before Easter, but I was on holiday and now I'll open the box. Useful links are in video description. You can read more about the monthly crates in my blog. Moreover, if you click my affiliate link and use the coupon code AMILC20, you will get a discount for your first crate. Links are in video description. Okay, so let's open the box because I can't wait. I know that this month subscribers will get 2 skins again, because the previous month there was 1 skin and now I have 2 skins. Okay. Beautiful mint yarn. Let's see what we have. Odin Wools by KNITCRATE. Odin Wools Side Decay colorway Leaf Eater. This is a soft minty green with blue undertones, as they write in their magazine. Read if you want to, I will show you. 85% merino wool, 15% cashmere, decay weight. We have 2 skins, so I have 600 yards and suggested needle size 3/5. Okay, but let's see this yarn. As KNITCRATE yarns, it's always squishy and soft, and we have the second skin and KNITCRATE Inspirations April booklet. Let's see what's inside. Table of contents. We have the patterns, and this crate we have we get 2 patterns. One is knitting and one crochet. Let's see everything. The theme is entomology, and this month's colorway was inspired by butterflies, dragonflies, caterpillars, as they said. And you have also April pop-up shop. Beautiful yarn, Manos del Uruguay, but I saw on their page, on their site, that this yarn is sold out. But if you have purchased it, you have luck, because this is beautiful, a colorful yarn, luxurious. And I have, oh, this color is like you see that Leaf Eater is inspired by the tobacco hornworm caterpillar. And the second color, it was ladybug, red yarn, inspired by a Fit Eater. Oh, it could be just a ladybug. The first pattern, this is Crochet Chrysalis by Liliana Bus. Sorry if I didn't pronounce it. Just please read it. You can see this short wrap with the tassels. Here we have the pattern, I can't show you, and the second one is Canopy by Destiny Mayer. Knitting pattern, triangle shawl with garter stitch, I think, for advanced beginner, as they wrote. What else we have in this booklet? The sock membership crate and the pattern Under Grass by Stephanie Wire. Just read it, please. Intermediate skill level. These socks are similar to this, as you can see, this bag. And there's some information on designers, and you have also the patterns that you can find in the April's pop-up for this yarn that is in April's pop-up shop. You have a blush fiber, this leaf hopper colorway. And as for patterns, patterns are designed by Dallas and Prentice, Caterpillar Track Co, and Hands and Cheeks. The color is really unique. What is great, pop-up patterns are also available for free for members of Membership Crate and Sock Membership Crate, or you can buy them individually. And the theme pick for it's Farmer's Market, really colorful, inspired by fruits, strawberries, apples, everything that you can find on the Farmer's Market. So I'm looking forward for the My Crate. And what is more, I have a link below the table of contents, and you can download the digital patterns. Here I can show you. And what is great, you can also get value packs and save the money, because KNITCRATE offers you 3 or 10 pack yarns for lower price. Just visit their site, and you can also visit magazine.knitcrate.com to read more and watch the video about the next crates. And on YouTube there is also a preview for My Crate. You can also join in the Ravelry group to talk about this crate. Colors are really beautiful. I've got this yarn. Let's see it once again. I have to think about the project I'll make with this yarn. Maybe I will choose a KNITCRATE pattern or something different, I don't know. What is more, I will show you what I started to make with the yarn from the previous crate. I started this. It will be probably, I don't know, shawl, or I wanted to make a shrug, but I don't know if it's enough yarn to make it. But it could be also a shawl. I used this is called knot stitch. You can see the knots here. So it looks like that. I'll show you the project when I'll finish. It's not so easy to make it really quick, because I I haven't much time, but I will try to make it soon, I hope. So thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel and the blog. In the blog, as I told you, there is lots of posts about KNITCRATE and KNITCRATE yarns. So I recommend you to read it. And see you in next unboxing videos, tutorials. Bye.